In a world where the ground danced, understanding its rhythm became vital. Why does the earth tremble? Asked one curious soul. It's the whispers of the earth, replied the wise one, telling tales of its ancient heart. As the ground shifted, they learned to listen, to feel the pulse beneath their feet. Every tremor is a lesson, the wise one continued, a chance to grow stronger, to build with wisdom. With each quake, they adapted, creating harmony with the earth's song. Embrace the dance, they said, and let it guide you to resilience,